Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. As you know, class, to begin our day, we always recite the Durud Pak. And now, after me, all of you will recite these beautiful words. Okay? Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Good morning, class 2. Welcome to GK class. Myself Farwa Shaukat, and to begin our today's class we always discuss message of the day. So our today's message of the day is you become what you believe. आप वही बन जाते हैं जो आप सोचते हैं अपने बारे में. अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आप एक अच्छे इंसान बनेंगे तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर देते हैं. सो ऑलवेज थिंक गुड, ऑलवेज थिंक पॉजिटिव. ऑल राइट. Today's objectives for the lesson is, at the end of the lesson students will be able to define joints and muscles, describe functions of joints and muscles. So these are the objectives of our today's lesson. Unit 1, the human body. As you look at the picture, we have a skeleton over here. और स्केलेटन क्या होता है? these are different types of bones. कुछ छोटी हैं, कुछ बड़ी हैं. So they are different in the different sizes. We have various bones जो मिलकर एक skeleton बना रही हैं, एक ढांचा बना रही हैं, एक proper structure बना रही हैं. All right. So this is the basic structure of a human body. All right. This picture is quite clear for your understanding. Joints. So first of all we will discuss about joints and later we will discuss about muscles. So we have two parts in this lesson, joints and muscles. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. All right. जहाँ पे दो bones मिलती हैं, आपस में मिलकर bend होती हैं, उनको हम joint बोलते हैं. Like if you look at this picture, this is a joint. जैसे आपके फिंगर के जॉइंट्स होते हैं, आपका जो नी है वो आपके लेग्स के जॉइंट्स में आता है. सो यू हैव फीट टू वॉक ऑन. इस तरह आपकी नेक, आपके शोल्डर्स, यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ जॉइंट्स इन योर बॉडी जहाँ पे दो बोन्स मिलती हैं और वो बेंड हो सकती है पोजीशन, या यू कैन मूव इट इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस. ऑल राइट. सो द प्लेस वेयर टू बोन्स मीट इज कॉल्ड अ जॉइंट. Some joints move and other do not. Okay, fixed joints are fixed in place and do not move at all. कुछ joints होते हैं वो move कर सकते हैं, कुछ move नहीं करते. Right? जो fixed, अब हमारे पास two types के joints आ जाते हैं, fixed joints and moving joints. जो fixed joints हैं they do not move from their place. योर स्कल है सम ऑफ दीज जॉइंट्स. जो आपकी स्कल है, जो आपका ब्रेन का जो स्केलेटन का पार्ट जो ब्रेन में आता है, वो वाले जितने भी बोन्स हैं उनमें से फ्यू जॉइंट्स आर नॉट मूवेबल, दे आर फिक्स्ड जॉइंट्स. मूविंग जॉइंट्स. सो व्हाट आर मूविंग जॉइंट्स? मूविंग जॉइंट्स आर द ones that let you ride your bike, eat cereal and play a video game. The ones that allow you to twist, bend and move different parts of your body. ये वो वाले joints होते हैं जो आपकी बॉडी में मूव कर सकते हैं, like your knee joint, your leg joint, your back joint, your shoulder joint, your arm joints. So जितने भी joints हैं ये मूवेबल हैं, इनके थ्रू आप अपनी बॉडी को डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में मूव कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ joints. Muscles. This is the second part of our lesson. All around your body are some things that stretch a little. Okay, आपकी पूरी बॉडी में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे मसल्स होते हैं, कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स हैं जो स्ट्रेच हो जाते हैं, जिसको आप खींच सकते हो. They are stretchable, they are movable in stretching position. They stretch rather like rubber bands. वो रबर बैंड्स की तरह मूव करते हैं. You can say muscles are like rubber bands in your body. These are your muscles. If you look at the picture, it is very clear. All this is brownish colored portion are muscles. जितने भी ये आपको brown में नज़र आ रहा है शेड, ये सब muscles हैं, ये stretchable हैं like a rubber bands. Okay. If you bend your arm like this, you can if you look at the picture, you see that there is a lump over here. जैसे ही that male is bending his arm like this, you can see a lump. You can if this lump is very clear, these are muscles, okay, which are stretchable. They are not like bones, they are muscles, they are flexible. You may be able to see or feel a lump near the bend, that is a muscle. जैसे उस पिक्चर के अंदर आपको वो एक lump, एक उभार नज़र आ रहा था, उसको हम muscles बोलते हैं. Muscles help you move parts of your body. Many of them are attached to your bones. They work together to help you move. Without muscles, you could not smile, speak, walk, or even breathe. अगर आपके मसल्स ना हो, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मसल्स इन आवर बॉडी, तो अगर ये मसल्स स्ट्रेचेबल ना हो या हमारी बोन्स के साथ ये रबर बैंड्स की तरह अटैच ना हो, तो हम स्माइल भी नहीं कर सकते. इट मीन्स कि when we smile, we have muscles to stretch in our mouth. So when you speak, you have muscles. While walking, your muscles work. Even you cannot breathe without your muscles. Your heart is a muscle that moves blood around your body. आपका जो हार्ट है भी मस्कुलर फॉर्म में है ना. इट इज़ लाइक अ पंपिंग मशीन. बोन्स तो पंप नहीं कर सकती. बोन्स दे आर वेरी हार्ड, दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, दे आर नॉट लाइक मसल्स. तो जो हार्ट है आपका, इट इज़ अ मस्कुलर ऑर्गन, और इसी के थ्रू दिस मस्कुलर ऑर्गन विच वी कॉल्ड हार्ट, इट पम्प्स ब्लड टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. ऑलराइट. In fact, without muscles, you would not be alive for very long. If you don't have muscles, or your muscles have any problem, or they are not stretchable, you cannot live longer with such situation. तो ऐसे लोग जिनके मसल्स काम नहीं कर रहे होते, या दे आर नॉट स्ट्रेचिंग, रबर बैंड की तरह नहीं स्ट्रेच होते, या स्टिफ हो जाती हैं, दे कैन नॉट लिव लॉन्गर. So this is very hard if you don't have a proper muscular function in your body. Alright class, so to recap our lesson, we will focus on different type of sentences and the things which we have done so far. Multiple choice questions, so you have to be very attentive while reading the questions. Number 1, the place where two bones meet is called joint, bones, muscles, all of these. So the answer is joint, because where two bones meet, that position is called joint. Number 2, dash joints are fixed in place and do not move at all. Number 1, moving muscles, moving joints, fixed joints, place, none of these. So the correct answer is mentioned in the red color. It's B option. Fixed joints are fixed in place and do not move at all. Number 3, dash joints are the ones that let you ride your bike. Number 1, fixed. 2, joints. 3, moving. 4, all of these. So the correct option is moving joints. Number 4, dash stretch like rubber bands. It's very easy. A, joints. B, little. C, body. D, muscles. So muscles stretch like rubber bands. Number 5, muscles help you dash parts of your body. A, move. B, jump. C, relax. D, none of these. So the correct option is move. Muscles help you move parts of your body. Okay, I hope you're clear class 2. So this is the recap of your entire lesson which we have done regarding joints and muscles. after recapping your lessons, we have an home assignment which states that question number 1, what makes your skeleton? That's a very interesting and very exact question of what we have done. As I have mentioned in the very first slide of your chapter, the human body, that all your bones fit together to make up your skeleton. Okay, all the bones which are put together or fit together to make your skeleton. Okay, why is it important to have strong bones? हमारी हमारी bones को strong होना क्यों ज़रूरी है? What do you think? You must think about this answer, and you should have various answers to this one question. And this is also very interesting because strong bonds are very important for a strong body, for a strong health, for a very strong movements in your life. If you have strong bonds, you can walk, you can run, you can jump, you can contribute in different type of activities in your life. So having strong bonds are very important. So you can also write other ways to answer this question also. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this lesson. Thank you so much, class, for listening. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you so much. Allah bless you all.